How to fix Instagram black screen story on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Easy and quick. First thing, just open Play Store, and here you will find Instagram, and now make sure there is no update here. And if you found here an update, just update your Instagram. And now just go back, go to settings, go to battery. Now here we'll find ultra power saving mode. Now enable it, click on it, and after that just disable it. And then just go back and open your Instagram, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And if that also doesn't fix it, now just restart your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.